Hey everybody, I know that you have been in a lot of different organizations and a lot of groups and just a lot of things. I just want to welcome you to this page and say thank you for joining this phenomenal team called myEcon. This is a marathon, not a sprint. I know you've been a lot of different places. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. I want to be the first to welcome you and let you know that you're in a friendly place. This is for the new person as well as the experienced person, because there's going to be a lot of stuff on here. I want you to come through, take your time, absorb the information, and just learn. And if you have any questions, there's going to be information on here where you can get in touch with your sponsor. Even if you can't get in touch with your sponsor, the person that signed you up, just feel free to come back here. There's going to be tons and tons of information that we're going to share with you on an ongoing basis. We have our own private Facebook page. We're going to have a lot of support. You're going to get help from beginning to the middle to the end. Our goal is to help you succeed and start winning, because I've been inside this industry full-time for 10 plus years, and I know what it looks like to fail. I know what it looks like to succeed, and I know what it looks like when you feel frustrated and just can't get the training and the support that you need. Feel free, be safe. This is the place for you. Remember, this is a marathon and not a sprint. There's going to be tons of information for you. Just look around, take everything step by step, and just learn. Be easy, relax, get your favorite beverage, get in a quiet place, and just know that you're going to go to the top. But you got to take it one day at a time and be consistent.